Just under 2,500 head were yarded at the Central Tablelands Livestock Exchange store cattle sale on Friday. The market trend was generally dearer, with yearling steers reaching a top of $700 and cows with calves selling to a top of $1,100.
Dearer to the last month's sale, probably $50 to $80 dearer on last month. Yeah, the cattle were, a lot of blokes think it's going to rain, so they took a bit of punt and bought some cattle. A lot of light cattle. The light cattle were very dear today, and shows the sign that if there is rain about, the market can lift, and the fat market's starting to turn, and that's why the job's got stronger.
$555. Get together, say that. Last year's a 558. Ready? Done.